What's up guys, Alex here with Master Garage. Today we're gonna work on the alternator. We're gonna replace the alternator on 2013 Honda Accord Sport 4-cylinder. So the all data says it's 1.1, which I believe that's right. Disconnect the negative battery, the negative terminal, disconnect all the connectors right here and there. There is one bolt right here, which my finger is, that's 12 millimeter. There is one more down there, which you have to remove the tensioner. I already did that. Let me take it out. So I'm gonna show it to you. Just 1 second. Let me. Okay. Okay. Give me 1 second. From here, I'm gonna explain to you right now what is going on here. Here you go. Okay. If the tensioner is okay, there is one bolt behind this area down there, the second bolt for the alternator. You cannot access there. You have to remove the tensioner. It's easy. There is one 12 millimeter right here. You can access from down there, and the other one, this is a star one right here. Let me show it to you. Right here, the star one, you can use the T50, okay, right here. It's very easy. Remove that one, take that one. Before that, lose the serpentine belt with the 17 millimeter ratchet, and if you take that one out, the rest is gonna be very easy. Down there, remove that one, and the alternator is gonna be in your hand. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Take care.